Hello, my name is Cormac and I'm going to be giving a quick overview of the Dollie Partner Dashboard. Now, the dashboard serves two major functions. It gives an overview of business, but it also provides you with some development tools to be able to access the WordPress Dollie install. And that install allows you to manage your white label cloud hosting services that function through the Dollie platform. The first thing that we're going to deal with is the business overview. Now, one of the first things that you see whenever you log into the Dollie Partner Dashboard is you're given an overview of how many deployed sites there are, the amount of customers that you have, how many orders you have gotten this month, and as a result of those orders, how much money that you have earned. Now, before you do anything, we always recommend people to join us on our Slack. That way, if they encounter any kind of issues, that they can just get in contact with our engineering team, and we can respond to any kind of queries that you might have. To help you get acquainted with the Dollie platform, we have provided 3 helpful steps. First is creating your first blueprint. This is where you clone an existing site and you use that as a blueprint to be able to deploy sites in future. Second is for you to be able to set up your products and your subscriptions that are inherently tied to the white label cloud hosting services that are offered through the Dollie platform. And third is to design your storefront. As standard, you're given a template under which your storefront operates. However, you need to make this consistent with your branding so that we act as the true invisible partner. Now, before you begin, we always recommend that you do 2 things. You set up your own domain because, as default, you're under the Dollie subdomain and it's white label cloud hosting services. Lads, you can't be doing that. You just can't be doing that. It's not white label if you're under our domain, then they know it's us. This is meant to be under your branding. So make sure that you get in touch with our Slack and we can connect up your domain there. The second is that while you're on Slack chatting away to us, make sure to talk to us about where you would like all your containers to be deployed, whether that's OVH, GCP, AWS. We'll make it happen for you, lads. Don't be worrying. And then you're set up, you're live, you're ready to go. Now it's time to look at the development tools. And when we click on plugins here, you're shown how many activated plugins there are running on the Dollie Partner install. As you can see, it gives a full list of every single plugin that's there, what version of that plugin is running, and you're also presented with the home of that plugin, so you can go to the home website of that plugin. Under the Themes tab, you'll get an overview of the themes that you're using. Dollie comes with the Dollie child theme out of the box, which allows you to customize the dashboard for your hosting customers. And if you're a WordPress developer and would like to take a look under the hood of Dollie, you can simply access it using the code editor. And here, if we go through WP content and then we go into plugins, you're able to adjust whatever plugin settings that you'd like using the code editor. And in the database, you're presented with all your database details. So all you have to do is log into the database manager using those details and you have direct access to all the database stuff. It's class, lads. But as well, if you'd like to do specific functionality using the WP CLI, you can really do that as well. Like, look, just a quick type in here and you're able to export your databases and do whatever you need using the WP CLI. And if you have any difficulties and you'd like to avail of any documentation or support, just use these docs and support tabs to be able to access either the documentation or create a ticket so that our support team can deal with you. And that's it pretty much for the Dollie Partner Dashboard. It's class. So if you just click here on Dollie Admin, that's going to